Computers could soon be able to read your emotions. Researchers at CU Boulder built a computer that can identify your emotions based on pictures that you're looking at on a screen.
Denver 7's Jessica Porter spoke to the lead researcher who says this technology could one day change your online experience.
That new age saying, what you see determines what you feel, may be more true than you thought. And researchers at CU Boulder's Institute of Cognitive Science are able to prove it.
I'm interested in studying emotion, and in this project, there was sort of a nagging question as to how emotions unfold.
Researchers designed a computer modeled after the human brain called EmoNet, then showed EmoNet thousands of pictures like erotic images and nature scenes and asked it to classify them into different emotions.
We can train it to identify which images might evoke amusement in a person or fear or anxiety or different types of emotional responses.
EmoNet is able to identify 11 emotions and calculated sexual desire down to 95% accuracy, but it had a difficult time with emotions like confusion or surprise. EmoNet was even shown clips of movies and was able to categorize them as romantic comedies, action, and horror films, which could have real-world applications.
It could be used to filter online or social media content. If people are getting angry at their Twitter feeds or angry at Facebook, this tool could be used to sort of filter out images that produce negative emotional responses.
Craigle now wants to program EmoNet to analyze sound for emotion. This technology is bringing researchers closer to simulating a human brain, but Craigle says they are still years away.
Might be able to identify emotional situations. That doesn't necessarily mean it understands how humans feel when they're experiencing different emotions.
Jessica Porter, Denver 7.